Good evening, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we talk about hospitality industry. What is why people are losing the hospitality workers? Why people are moving to abroad instead of working in India? Where our culture is talk about like Atithi Devo Bhav, and now in if you talk about the 2020s to 2015, we do have a much more people are want to grow in their career in hospitality, and now they are moving to abroad. Thus, some of the points that I'll just introduce you. Like India is famous for its hospitality, but today's people are create the hospitality is very slow and despairing at all. The tradition is our culture has always believed in Atithi Devo Bhav, where the guest is treated like a god, but the workers serving those guests are often forgotten. Reality of the hospitality staff nowadays in many hotels, if you talk about the Marriott, if you talk about the Hyatt, if you talk about the Leela, if you talk about the IHM, if you talk about any, take out any big brand, in the many hotel and restaurants in northern part of India, staff are working like from 10 hours to 14 hours shift on a daily basis. If you talk about low in a low salary, very minimum salary, they forgot about what is the work balance, what is festivals, what is the life balance, how to take care of the family, how to celebrate the Diwali, Holi, what is the celebrations in the India. But when the everyone celebrates are the busiest working days in hospitality workers, they are working for the guests, and there's no personal life for the hospitality workers in India now. The reality is like that. Why people are going to abroad? The main reason, that's why the many skilled workers are leaving India or moving to other countries like Canada, Australia, United Arabs, Europe, London, uh, Kuwait. If you talk about something like Germany, for the hospitality job, they'll get the better pay, fixed working hours, more respect, and most famous and most important is profession. The biggest thing is, and nowadays if you see of the 2023, we got the hospitality batch in all over India. People are less in numbers, drop down to 30% people are coming to learn IHM. Why students avoid hospitality management, hotel management? Because of the reality, fewer students are to study hospitality in the institution like an institution of the hotel management. Many see seniors struggling after graduating from there, so they choose other career instead of being in hotel management. They choose other career, other life path. They've seen their seniors struggling for the promotion, struggling for the life balance, struggling for their work culture, struggling for to maintain their personal life, to work balance, struggling for everything. That's why nowadays students are avoiding to join hospitality management. This is the main reasons I've talked about. And the ending, I'll just say, if the things don't change like that, India might face serious shortage of hospitality profession in future. The question is, will carry what is the spirit in hospitality industry? It's already gone. Now, this industry has faded in India. Basically, people are talk. People are think hospitality is a waste of time, and because of the guest also in the northern part, if you see, the guests have the many much expectation. If you talk about, they expect higher hospitality, higher things to get within a minimum wages, minimum pay. To think what to do next. We should focus on hospitality industry. We should work on it, and we get the student back on track. We start building up in our hospitality industry. Let's go, guys. Thank you so much for today. Keep subscribing and like and share also. Thank you so much.